by 2047.
KHASI Students Union KSU Employment Monitoring Cell kelapelong ia ka Jingiakhih mentagasngi ha Ophis jong ke Meghalaya Public Service Commission Mpsc agaba keladawa ban Pynbeit ya kemat bayadai bat ke examen Thung jam ba dangshan ha Mpsc jong ke post statistical officer. Hadian ba Jingiakhih katu kat nia kenta usong kenor ke Mpsc uba pi marwen ulakot ya kren ya ke dekot nongelam ke KSU. Hadian kene ke Jingiakhih uba Ruben Najar ulay tu ba usong kenor ke Mpsc ula kular ban khmi ya ke jingdawa jongki uba Najar ula kedau ru ya ke Kynram ha ke ban Thung ya ke statistical officer da ke ba kedau ba arngut ki candidate kila syajit na ke benta kawai ke pos ke balai.
We have asked for marks to be published so that all the candidates will know their marks and there will be no kind of discrepancies as to what is involved in the MCS examination. In that regard, we have seen that MPSC has agreed to that demand of us and will be publishing the marks later in the evening. The result was declared for 2 people that have successfully cleared. In regards to that, the MPSC claimed that they have made a clerical error at that point of time. From the department, there was a requisition letter of 2 posts, and we have seen that also. They have shown us the letter.